Anil Kumar, and today's class we are going to learn how to edit headphones. You just have seen how we shot that headphone. Now this is the time for editing, and the biggest problem is to get the straight wire or curved wire, which is very difficult in shooting and editing also, same thing. So I'm going to teach you how to create actually wire. Headphone is very simple, but the problem with the wire. So that we are going to learn today. First thing what you can do that you can just make a clipping path of this headphone first and separate it from the background. So just I'm creating this path and I'm not worried about the wire. Control Enter, Control J to make a copy of the selection, and here we see this headphone, and our objective is to get this like this headphone already edited, and we have very straight wire here. So how to get this straight wire, that I'm going to show you. We have this portion, headphone portion separated, and now it is time to create the wire. There are the two ways of creating this wire, or maybe three ways. Is to shoot correctly first, and second we can add it. So how we can do that? Just take a small sample of this wire and press Ctrl J. So select this image first, Ctrl J. Now we have very small portion of the wire, and which is not straight in fact. So we'll have to make it correct first. So how to do that? Ctrl T and distort and then correct it. This is the way. Second thing, we'll start joining it with the copies of the same wire. So Ctrl J, then join this wire and Ctrl J. After that, merge all these three copies. Ctrl E, we get this sample. If you want to make it longer, then press Ctrl J again. Now we have bigger wire. So this is the one way you can make wire. Press Ctrl E and you have long wire. And now what we can do that? We have this headphone and we can attach this wire here with the headphone. So now we have this. Okay. So this is the one way. Second way is how we can do that. Suppose you want curved wire and you want like this, maybe you need headphone like this and you need a curve here of the wire. So how you want to do that? Take wire from here and you want a curved wire. So how to do that? That I'm going to show you. First, join this. Now we'll have to see that the thickness of the wire. So we'll have to try 2-3 times and then we'll get the size of that wire also. So now go to create new layer and edit stroke, then apply maybe 80 pixels, color is take from this headphone and press OK. So we get this wire. So if it is thick, then reduce the pixels, or if it is not as per your size, you can adjust the size of the pixels of the stroke. So press Ctrl, Enter, and delete extra wire. Now we just have to add shine only. So how to do that? Make another line inside between this wire thickness Press Ctrl Enter, create a new layer again, go to Edit, Stroke, and apply white and then pixel somewhere around 8. Press Ctrl D and delete the extra portion of this stroke. And now we can apply blur on this stroke, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and we can apply. So you see, you can see the shine. You can reduce the shine, and you have wire attached with your headphone. So you can make any kind of wire. Now you know that. Just make plain wire, plain outline, or maybe something else, or maybe pipe, and then just make another stroke, blur it, shine it. I hope this class will help you in editing your headphones and taking photographs very easily without wasting time on straightening the wire. Thank you so much.